Hello students, in this video we will discuss the multiple choice questions based on paper Knowledge and Curriculum and Language Across Curriculum Unit 3 Social Basis of Framing Curriculum in Education. The Constitution of India was adopted on, the options are option A 26 January 1950, option B 26 January 1949, option C 26 November 1949 and option D 31st December 1949. And the correct answer is option C. The Constitution of India was adopted on 26 November 1949. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly? Options are option A. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, option B. C. Rajagopalachari, option C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, option D. Jawaharlal Nehru. And the correct option is option A. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Which of the following is not a fundamental right? And the options are option A. Right to equality, option B. Right to property, option C. Right to freedom, option D. Right to constitutional remedies. And the correct answer is option B. Right to property. Which article did Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar describe as the heart and soul of the Constitution? Options are option A. Article 19, option B. Article 356, option C. Article 32, option D. Article 14. And the correct option is option D, that is Article 14. The preamble of our Constitution reads India as, options are option A. Sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. Option B. Sovereign, democratic, socialist, secular republic. Option C. Socialist, sovereign, democratic, secular republic. And option D. Democratic, sovereign, secular, socialist republic. And the correct option is option A, that is the preamble of our Constitution reads India as sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. Basic education is the proposal of, options are option A. Mahatma Gandhi, option B. Vivekananda, option C. Tagore, and option D. Aurobindo. The correct answer is option A, that is the basic education is the proposal of Mahatma Gandhi. Blank states, by education, I mean an all-round drawing out of the best in man body, mind and spirit. And the options are option A, Vivekananda, option B, Tagore, option C, Aurobindo, option D, Mahatma Gandhi. And the correct option is option D, Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi states, by education, I mean an all-round drawing out of the best in man body, mind and spirit. Bunyadi Shiksha plan is based on options are option A, Dr. Radhakrishnan, option B, Mahatma Gandhi, option C, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, option D, Tagore. And the correct answer is option B, Mahatma Gandhi. Bunyadi Shiksha plan is based on Mahatma Gandhi's plan. A teacher can never truly teach unless he is still learning himself. A lamp can never light another lamp unless it continues to burn its own flame. Who pronounced this? Options are option A, Tagore, option B, Mahatma Gandhi, option C, John Dewey, option D, Rousseau. And the correct option is answer C, that is John Dewey. John Dewey says a teacher can never truly teach unless he is still learning himself. A lamp can never light another lamp unless it continues to burn its own flame. Rabindranath Tagore was a nationalist because he said about children that option A, they should be educated for national integration. Option B, they should be made to develop into complete human being. Option C, they should be acquainted with the ideals and values of national culture. They should be, option D, they should be given full freedom to live in natural environment and learn by doing. And the correct option is option D, that is they should be given full freedom to live in natural environment and learn by doing. Which among the following are the dimensions of multicultural education? Options are option A, content integration, option B, knowledge construction, option C, prejudice reduction, and option D, all above. And the answer is option D, that is all above. Which of the following best defines a multicultural education? Options are option A, education that celebrates differences and also challenges all forms of discriminations. Option B, a form of no child left behind. Option C, a method of dispute resolution. And option D, Education focus on studying different cultures. And the correct answer is answer A, that is education that celebrates differences and also challenges all form of discriminations. According to Gandhi, the aim of education is option A, character building, option B, self-control, option C, self-defense, and option D, all above. And the correct option is option D, all above. As one of the Indian Constitution values, secularism means option A, no respect for any religion. Option B, abolition of all personal religious laws. Option C, control of religious activities by the government. Option D, equal respect of religions and no discrimination on any matter on the ground of religion. And the correct option is option D, equal respect of religions and no discrimination on any matter on the ground of religion. Equality of educational opportunities is possible by options are option A, extending portals of educational institutions to all without discrimination. Option B, opening more educational institutions. Option C, privatizing educational system in the country. Option D, public funding of education. And here the correct option is answer A, that is extending portals of educational institution to all without discrimination. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.